Okay, Peugeot 5008 install Convex Android GPS big screen player, plug and play socket with Canbus. Okay, this is a big head power socket. Okay, radio antenna socket to connect original radio. It's a USB socket to connect original USB port. This is a video output RCA, okay, to connect an original headrest monitor. Okay, need a RCA. This is a change aftermarket AHD reverse camera. Okay, we'll use a clip-on universal casing, so 10.1 inch to fix in. Okay, a sample for 10.1 inch for testing. So this car owner chose for 9 inch. This is an original frame, original casing. So we add on a 9 inch universal casing. Okay. Then the top area screen. This is no use anymore. No use. So we'll change the screen, will change to the Android CarPlay. We'll fix here. Okay, OEM socket with Canbus. Connect steering control. Lock funny. Volume down. Okay. Next. Okay, next. Okay, steering control original can use. Okay, this is Peugeot 5008. Thank you.